If you are constantly experiencing this problem, your device ran into a problem and needs to restart, but you have tried all manner of settings and you have looked for tutorials but didn't help you, then let me show you how you can solve this problem for once and for all. So I also experienced the same problem and I couldn't find a solution online until I realized that the solution is elsewhere and not on settings. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot and solve this problem on your desktop. So the first thing you need to do is to unplug the CPU from all the cables and then go ahead and open your CPU. And as you can see, you can easily open this by removing the upper casing, which is loosely attached. Then from here, go ahead and locate all your RAMs and then plug one by one and then put them in safe and a clean place that you can easily access. So for my case, I have 3 RAMs and I'll go ahead and unplug all of them one by one. Just locate them, pull them out, and for this you do when you have plugged out all the cables, and then go ahead using a blower, blow your CPU. So one of the reasons why you are experiencing that blue screen is because of dust that has accumulated in your CPU. And as you can see, there was a lot of dust on this CPU, and this was hampering the performance of my computer. You might also want to remove the CD-ROM drive. You'll realize that there's a lot of dirt that is beneath it. So go ahead and carefully unplug these cables and remove. And as you can see here, we had a RAM that was beneath it. So go ahead and blow in all these hidden corners and make sure there is no dust. So this you can easily do using your blower. And once you are done, it's time to reset the RAMs. So another reason why you might be experiencing this problem is because maybe one of the RAM needs to be reseated. So removing them and removing all the dust and then resetting in their places should be the perfect solution for this problem. So when you are returning the RAMs, make sure that they are free from dust. So blow them and make sure they are free from dust, but avoid touching on the edges of the RAMs, the golden part of the RAM. Avoid touching it with your bare hands. And this solution, you can do it on your own. You don't need a technician. You can just do it as long as you have a blower or anything to blow dust from your CPU. So now when you are fixing the RAMs, consider that gap, the gap on the RAM. Make sure that they are in place. They are aligned with the slot on your CPU. So go ahead and fix back all your RAMs in their positions. And each time you fix the RAM, you return the RAM, you press it to make sure that it clips from both ends to be sure that they are in their correct positions. So the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and return this ROM, this CD-ROM. And to do that, make sure you also fix it in its rightful place and that it is firmly fixed. And with that, it is done. So it's time to go ahead and return the casing. Also make sure that the casing is well and is firmly fixed in its position. And usually the upper casing has hooks. So make sure that you align the hooks properly and there is no hanging part that can be seen. So from this, we are done. And it is time to go ahead and test and see if that problem has gone, because I had this challenge and I really couldn't find any solution online. So here I'll go ahead and return all the cables while the power is still off and make sure that everything is firmly attached, and then go ahead and switch on your CPU, and then let's wait and see if it will power on. And look at that, we have the blue screen, it has powered on, and look at that, now we have our computer up and running, and as you can see, it is now displaying and the problem has gone forever. That's how you fix your computer restarting each and every time, once and for all. So go ahead and try this solution and let me know if it solves your problem. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.